In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on Stripe. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account and that you're either in your live mode or your test mode, depending on where you want to make these changes. Once you're ready, head over to your Stripe Home dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging in, where you can view your balance, recent payments, and quick links to different tools. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with different sections like payments, customers, products, and so on. In that list, find the option labeled Tax. Go ahead and click on Tax. This will open the Stripe Tax area, where you can manage how tax is calculated and applied to your prices. In the top right corner of the tax page, you'll see a button or menu labeled Quick Actions. This is a shortcut area that gives you fast access to important configuration options. Click on Quick Actions, and from the drop-down or list that appears, choose the option that says Configure Tax Settings. This will take you into the main settings page where Stripe lets you control how tax behaves for your business. Once you're on the tax settings page, look near the top for a set of tabs. One of these tabs will be called Business Information. Make sure this tab is selected. If it isn't, click on it. This section controls general tax behavior for your entire account, so it's important that any changes you make here match how you want to present prices to your customers. Now, scroll down through the business information page until you find a section labeled Include Tax in Prices or something very similar. This setting tells Stripe whether your listed prices should already contain tax or whether tax should be added on top at checkout. This is especially important if you operate in regions where customers expect tax-inclusive pricing. When you find that setting, you'll see options such as yes or no. To add tax directly into your prices, select yes. This means that when Stripe calculates tax, it will treat your product or subscription prices as tax-inclusive and adjust the breakdown accordingly, keeping the total amount the customer sees consistent. Once you've selected yes, review the page and then save your changes if a save button appears. After that, your Stripe account will handle prices as tax inclusive according to these settings, and you'll have successfully configured tax behavior on Stripe.